We hear this word legacy, what comes to our mind is someone who's leaving this world. They want to leave something behind. But here's the point. When Ibrahim makes this dua, he is still in his hometown. He is still speaking to his uncle. And if you remember, we said that the conversation that Ibrahim was having with his uncle and with his people was taking place at a very young age. Some have said 16. Maybe we don't know for sure. We say 17, 18. You can probably say under the age of 20. At this young age, Ibrahim is asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for legacy. This is an important lesson. What is Ibrahim trying to tell you and me, the younger individuals in the community? He's trying to tell you and me, listen, legacy is not something you try to figure out at the end of your life. Legacy is something you decide when you are young. Why? Why, Ibrahim? Why not just wait until the end of your life? Because when you decide what your legacy is going to be at a young age, this legacy and this goal that you set for yourself is now going to inform your decisions every step of your life. You don't live life and then at the end sit back and say, well, let me look back and see what I did. No, that's a very superficial way of living life. A deeper way of looking at living life and looking at life is that you decide what your legacy, what you want it to be. How do you want people to remember you? Then when you know this and you keep this in mind, now every step you take in your life, this is going to inform your decision.